अरे भाई कुछ अच्छा बोलने है ही नहीं, सही बोले तो। Hi guys, welcome to Cheka. Today we'll talk about Windows 11. It has been released on
October 5th.
5th. देखे मालूम ही नहीं था। खैर October 5th से मैं यूज़ कर रहा हूँ and we'll let you know if it is good, if you should upgrade or not. So you know, with the latest design in anywhere, Google, whatever, they're following this material design, very sleek, very minimalistic. That's what Windows 11 is about. There's new look and feel. There's a good start menu. There are snap layouts, the rounded corners, some shadows. So if you remember, Windows Vista was good looking, but not good functioning wise. This is good looking in that sense. But obviously that was glass design blur. There are a few blur and glass designs here, but then it's more modern in 2021. Good, functions well, quiet, but there are so many bugs I'll talk about. Many people compare this to Mac because of the middle orientation of the क्या है भाई वो टास्क बार के बीच में बटना है, तो लेकिन वो लेफ्ट पे भी कर सकते हैं, वो आपकी मर्जी है. But I think it doesn't feel like Mac, especially when you use it. I've used a Mac and doesn't feel like that. It still looks Windows, but obviously there's this arrow design, there are drop shadows, rounded corners with bugs obviously, but it has a new refreshed feel. But it's still that वो 95 का नहीं जा रहा भाई. 95 विंडोज से जो आया लुक ना, 98 से वो चिपका हुआ है एक जगह अभी भी. So it's not completely into that. Again, there's a new settings app. Everything is kind of done, but as always, Microsoft Windows 98 is still stuck somewhere, and that's a problem. So let's talk about the start menu. आपको यहाँ देखने को मिल जाएगा. When you open start menu, the top is search. You can directly start typing to get the search. It can be a Windows search within your folder system, or it can be a web search. Then after that, there are pinned apps. It's not like Windows 10 where you can make groups or tiles based on that. They're just icons, no live tiles anymore. But I would have preferred to have groups because I kind of used to do that in Windows 10. Games or productivity apps or trading apps or whatever I'm using, I could group them. And then there's a recommended section which will give you the most used apps, the most apps that you use. कितनी बार ऐसा हुआ है कि मैंने मॉनिटर में अरेंज एप्स करते करते मेरा सिर पक गया. ये अभी स्नैप लेआउट से आपका BHPL में क्या है, BHPL ने माल स्नैप लेआउट से जो है आप इधर उधर डाल सकते हैं उसको, कोने में, साइड में, 3 लेआउट में. I can only say bad things about taskbar. First is there's no time on multiple desktops. If you have even 2 screens, then you do not see time anymore on the next monitor. This is very frustrating, especially when you're playing games. घटिया बना यार, बनाने नहीं आए लोग. देखो भाई, छोटा नहीं कर सकते, इतना बड़ा है हत्ती का ऐसा. ये बड़ा आधा स्क्रीन इतना तो भी बनाना था. And then there's the calendar functionality. I don't know why they choose to remove it, but they kind of force you to use the widget where you can use the calendar still. But I was so used to this in Windows 10, it's annoying as and then obviously you cannot right click anywhere on the taskbar. You have to right click on the start button to get the whatever that menu is, the taskbar menu. That's annoying. It was so good you could have just pressed anywhere. उसके बाद है Microsoft Teams, another failure product. Voice typing. I love this feature of Windows 11. They have improved it. It does automatic punctuation, question mark, सब खुद ब खुद टक 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 पड़ जाते, ज़बरदस्त है. I love this voice typing. I am trying to type as less as I could. The most exciting thing about Windows 11 is that now you can run Android apps. That is great. So apps that are not on Windows platform, but the Android counterparts run much better than Windows, so you can install them now. But now it's in beta, but I think it'll come as an update very soon. And the last part is Windows Terminal. No one would be interested in this, but still it combines PowerShell and command prompt, it's you have this right click open in Windows terminal everywhere in the folder. This is a good feature that I like. अब आते हैं गालियों की तरफ। देखो भाई, पहला प्रॉब्लम है ICC प्रोफाइल्स नहीं चल रहे। अगर आप कलर मैनेजमेंट का काम कर रहे हैं तो प्लीज़ Windows 11 इंस्टॉल मत करिए, क्योंकि आपका ऑफिस बंद हो जाता, आप रोड पे आ जाते, क्योंकि ICC प्रोफाइल्स नहीं चल रहे। फोटोशॉप ICC प्रोफाइल नहीं पढ़ सक रहा, विंडोज़ फोटोज़ ऐप इनका पढ़ रहा, एज नहीं पढ़ रहा। ये तो दो नेटिव ऐप से एक चल रहा है, एक नहीं चल रहा। हाउ कैन यू रिलीज अ प्रोडक्ट which has this problem and you are बोल रहे हैं आप क्रिएटिव आदमी को कि इंस्टॉल करो, बहुत अच्छा है, क्या रोड पे ला देते भाई उसको? ये बहुत गंदी हरकत करे माइक्रोसॉफ्ट। ये सत्या नडेला से इस बारे में मेरे को डिस्कस करना पड़ेगा। There are problems with Windows Ink. If you use, like I use this majorly for my navigation, I don't use mouse much. But if you're doing that, then there are major problems with Windows Ink. Sometimes it does not drag things around within its native app. Surround sound का problem है। फिर है उसके बाद कैलेंडर, घटिया कैलेंडर कर दिए, खोल के मैं क्या देखूं भाई घर कोने में। If you want to access the whole menu, you have to go, there is another step for that, and then you go into extract RAR files or you have VLC। यही अभी 3 पहियों पे चल रही गाड़ी, वो इंस्टॉल करके और एक पहिया निकल गया, ऐसा हो जाएगा।
So we heard all about Windows 11 from Irfan. Now what we did is Irfan installed the Windows 11 and we knew कि भाई transition Microsoft से कभी सही नहीं रहता। Let it be an app, let it be a phone, let it be anything. Bugs are really a long stream to get rectified. इसीलिए Windows 10 was really good. I'm still happy with Windows 10. I'm glad कि मैं Windows 10 के साथ रह गया. If you're running on a primary Windows 10 right now and if you are in much क्या बोलते हैं advanced user, I would say कि stick on Windows 10 अभी. Eventually Windows 11 will meet and clear all the bugs out as Windows 10. But right now I would recommend, like we recommend, to stay on Windows 10.
अरे भाई, मैं ऑलरेडी Windows 10 पे हूँ, मैं Windows 11 इंस्टॉल करूँ क्या सोच रहा हूँ?